The U.S. Supreme Court issuing a fundamental change to the long-held belief that in the United States, no one is above the law. Now ruling that if a president acts in an official capacity, he is immune, unable to be prosecuted for any actions he takes while in office. The Chief Justice John Roberts writing, "The nature of presidential power entitles a former president to absolute immunity from criminal prosecution for actions within his conclusive and preclusive constitutional authority, and he is entitled to at least presumptive immunity from prosecution for all his official acts." The three liberal justices issued a fierce dissent. Never in the history of our republic has a president had reason to believe that he would be immune from criminal prosecution if he used the trappings of his office to violate criminal law. Moving forward, however, all former presidents will be cloaked in such immunity. If the occupant of that office misuses official power for personal gain, the criminal law that the rest of us must abide will not provide a backstop. "With fear for our democracy, I dissent," wrote Justice Sonia Sotomayor. U.S. President Joe Biden made an unexpected speech about the decision, arguing this raises the stakes for the upcoming election.
So now the American people have to do what the courts should have been willing to do, but will not. The American people have to render a judgment about Donald Trump's behavior. The American people must decide whether Donald Trump's assault on our democracy on January 6th makes him unfit for public office in the highest office in the land.
The High Court said presidents can be prosecuted for actions taken in a personal capacity and ordered the judge in Trump's trial over his involvement in the January 6th insurrection to decide what charges can move forward.
The speech that he gave on January 6th, in which he encouraged everyone to march down to the Capitol, that was a personal capacity speech. And so on remand, it shouldn't be difficult for the lower court to find that he does not have immunity for the acts of January 6th.
But the process will take time, meaning the trial will likely not take place until after the election for president, a much more powerful position now that the Supreme Court has weighed in. Patty Culhane, Al Jazeera, Washington.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.